Yeah, sure. You call me whatever you want, baby. Oh, don't let me scare you. Hey, don't move like that. Damn, you're kinky. I like it. That's a funny question, since I don't think you even know who you are right now. You're a piece of cheese. The perfect bait for a dangerous mouse.
Why are you saying such terrible things?
Think I'll gouge out an eyeball and part of your face. Toss him a chainsaw's feet, laugh as he realizes what he's looking at. I'll tell him that I might just let his girlfriend live if he follows orders. For some reason, whenever I do shit like that, even the most stubborn assholes listen. Then he's as good as dead.